Okay guys, here is Tuesday's directions video for you guys. It's review day today, so things are going to be a little bit different. There's going to be a lot of items on today's work, but that's just because I want to make sure you guys have a bunch of resources so you guys can totally crush the quiz tomorrow, or you can crush the quiz on Thursday, depending when you're next going to be in class. So here is what we're looking at. For you online students, I'm just going to post the quiz on Friday during your hour, so you'll have that hour to take the quiz. So just be aware of that. You only have an hour, so if you miss it, that's kind of on you. So just show up for the time slot that your hour is scheduled for, and you'll see the test on here. You'll be able to click it, and then you'll just kind of type out your answers: A1, A2, C, whatever, and then you just upload that, and I'll just go through and check your score. So the first thing I'm going to have you guys do today, watch the Edpuzzle for the Crash Course Mesopotamia. If the stuff that he's talking about sounds really familiar to you, that's probably a good sign. So just go through that, answer the questions. After that, I have the study guide that a lot of you guys have seen before. It's just broken up into different categories. So I'll do the first two with you guys. So for the first one, writing. Okay, for us, we know that cuneiform was the writing that they did in Mesopotamia. So we'd have cuneiform written down here, and then we'd also have history starts with writing. And then for agriculture, we talked about one of our common themes was basically as food production goes up, population follows. Same thing, if food production goes down, population follows. So just the basic principle of that. And then everybody else is just basically the key people we've been looking at. So each one of these will be like a test answer. So like Sargon the Great, Hammurabi, Nebuchadnezzar, cuneiform, Solonization. And for Solonization, I want to know how you combat it, right? Ashurbanipal, Nineveh, the Assyrians, Ziggurats, Ishtar's Gate, the key rivers, the modern location of Mesopotamia. Where's it at now? The Chaldeans, the Medes, the innovations of Mesopotamia, city-states, and obviously put the ruler timeline. And for the ruler, I just mean who's in charge, so which group. Okay, so like the first group we know is the Sumerians, so there's number one, and then just fill out the rest from there. And we'll have 5 total. So that's that. That is the study guide, that's what it looks like. So fill that out so you can study. For you people that were in class yesterday, read the Babylonian Empire article. It covers both times they're in charge. It covers the first time and obviously the Neo-Babylonian Empire, so take a look at that. And then I threw on some flashcards for you guys if you want to do some quick memorization on stuff. Okay, I guess you got to log in. So once you log in, it's just basically flashcards. So Fertile Crescent, you can click on it, and then it flips it over. But that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Just email me. Talk to you guys later.